Okay, for a reason unknown to myself, actually, I just thought I look under my Hyundai Santa Cruz, a 2022 model, and as I said, I have no clue why, but then I realized, look at this, the complete motor compartment is covered, and actually it's completely flat underneath. I kind of like that because that actually tells you really what you see here, the clearance. That's the clearance through all the car. If you have a pickup truck, you usually have the differential here, and a lot of people have like these lifted up cars, but then they forget that they have a differential back there and maybe here, and that's actually lower than the clearance here. But you know what? That is pretty cool. I never thought about that, but today, for whatever reason, I thought I'd look under my car, and it's pretty nicely done, I have to say. I know it's not a car which is capable like for off-roading. Well, I still like the underfloor design of that car. I mean, no kidding, it's pretty clean, no mess at all, nothing is standing out. I like that.